Hello, my name's Chloe and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about a workshop that I'm running in partnership with Online Events around cisnormative society. Now, thinking about the word cisnormative, cis is basically the opposite of trans. It's when someone's gender and sex match, and normative is that assumption that it's normal. So if we think about a cis-normative society, it's when people assume that everyone is cisgender unless told otherwise. Now, as counsellors, this can often make us assume a client's gender. For example, we might get an inquiry by phone and we hear a deep voice, and automatically in our brain we're thinking that this is a man going to be coming to us, where they might not necessarily be. Or we may have an email from a client with a typical female name, and I might think, oh, this is a female client coming. And this workshop is to help broaden your mind and hopefully help you realise that actually our clients might not necessarily be the gender that we are assuming, and how living in this world, in this society that is cis-normative, about how that can impact many trans and non-binary people's mental health. So we'll work together on this workshop as a group of counsellors on a video call, and it's going to be a very interactive and experiential experience where we do group discussions and virtual group work and case studies where we're all learning together and asking each other questions and teaching a little bit more about this work this topic. And we'll also think a bit about how, as counsellors, we can be less cis-normative in our practice. So you're building that confidence and being more aware by the end of the workshop. If this sounds like something you'd like to give a go at learning more about, then please do get in touch, and I look forward to meeting you at the next group. Thank you. Bye-bye.